Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can change the background image without using any eraser app. So if you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. So before wasting any time, let's go into it straight away. Okay, first step, we need to open our Google Chrome. Okay, enter website in the search bar here, enter website name, 𝐓𝐿𝐓𝐄𝐑𝐄𝐌. Okay, when the website is open, then we have to upload the image that we want to remove the background of. Okay, here, so we have to click here, upload image. Okay, so let me take an example. So let me choose this image. Okay, yeah, so as you see here guys, the image has uploaded completely. Okay, and the background is transparent presently. Okay, so you've got a lot of cool options, many different kind of varieties you can kind of change. Okay, so as you click here, edit, you'll see different colors guys, as you see. Okay, this is white, as you see, pink, blue. You can choose the kind of background that you want to change. Okay, so before I end this video, to save it guys, you can just save it here, and that's it about the tutorial. Okay, it's so simple guys, this is it. In case also guys, you can use this app also. Before I end this video, let me say this. Okay, you can also use this app in case, like for example guys, you want to have a passport photo. Okay, photo with a white plain background. Okay, well, this website also is for you. Okay, using this app guys, you doesn't need any eraser app. Okay, like example, you want to also create your thumbnails if you are a YouTuber, also this app is also for you. Okay, so this is all about the tutorial. Okay guys, so if you are new here, if you are new in this channel, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, and I will try my best to reply your comment. Peace.